So there have been some hullabaloo across the region in reaction to the appointment of Englishman Richard Pybus as the interim coach of the West Indies cricket team. Lack of transparency and breaches of procedural protocol have been the cause. But my question is, wrong or right procedures? Who is Richard Pybus to be the coach of the West Indies team? On what basis is this man getting almost 20,000 US dollars a month? Well over 2 million Jamaican dollars a month, even if he walk under the table. What is Richard Pybus bringing to the table as an international coach to justify his appointment and his salary? He was coach of Pakistan back in the late 90s and coached Bangladesh for a few months. But then he discovered the West Indies, which has become his happy hunting ground ever since. Pybus became director of cricket, and at one point he was head of the High Performance Center, all while the West Indies team was getting steadily worse and worse and worse. He was in the mix on that abandoned tour of India in 2014. He was in the mix again when the board got rid of Otis Gibson and then Phil Simmons. And now, like the phoenix, Pybus rises again to be the interim head coach of the West Indies team. Why the devil are so many people concerned about the process and the procedures by which he got appointed and are not concerned about his competence at doing the job? What is more important, the process by which the Maverick exits the set, or the fact, set time up, I'm gone.